In this lecture, we will learn how to adjust the drawing scale for our drawings. So we have already created this orthographic views, and I think those drawings are a bit small, and so I want to make them bigger. To do that, I can click on my base drawing, which is the front view, and then on the side you're going to get a menu. You can scroll down until you reach the scale option. I can go ahead and select the custom scale, and then I can change my drawing scale. So it used to be 1:2. Let me go ahead and have it as 3:2. Now they're a bit bigger, but I still want them bigger. So I go to the custom scale and I can see there's a 1:1 option here. I click on it. Again, they're bigger, but this time I think they are a bit too big. So I can adjust it again. This time I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to have it as user defined. Now I'll go ahead and try it to be 1:1.3. Click enter. And this seems to work better. Now I think this is good, so I'm just going to leave it with this. However, I want to have this isometric view a little bit bigger than the other views. I can select it and again go to this menu, and I can change the option into custom scale, and I can have that as 1:1. Okay, I think this is good. Now when you select a scale, there is no right or wrong approach to it. You just have to select different scales, see how it looks like until you get to the scale you want.